Hi, welcome back to Bautista's Kitchen. Before I start sharing my recipe, I wanted to thank you for watching my videos, for liking them and subscribing to them. Today's recipe is going to be a very popular and very delicious. It's going to be a pozole. Pozole is delicious yet very economical, and you can eat it throughout the year at any time, and it's for the whole family. And we're going to start right now. I have 4.5 pounds of blade shoulder roast, half a cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oregano, menudo mix for flavor, Chile guajillo for color, salt to taste, and we have hominy. We got 6 pounds. The first thing that we're gonna do today is I'm gonna cut the pork. I'm gonna cut it into pieces. I don't want small pieces, but I don't want big pieces. So we're gonna do just medium size. I'm gonna show you. If you want to take off a little the fat, that's your preference. See, the size is not too small and it's not too big. Okay, I already cut all the meat into smaller pieces, and right now we're gonna put it into water to boil. This is what was the leftover. We don't want that much fat. We're gonna put it to cook probably about 30 minutes, and then we'll check it again. What we're looking for is that it's cooked and it is very soft. This, since it's cut into pieces, it doesn't take very long. So we're just gonna let it there to boil and cook, and we're gonna check it in about 30 minutes and see how it's going. Once it starts boiling, when we check it right now in a little bit, once it starts boiling, it will be the time to add our onion and garlic so that it can start absorbing that taste. Okay, this is a Chile guajillo. I'm gonna show you how to take off the seeds, because when you saw it, it was already cooked. So this is what we do. I put gloves because sometimes when you're doing a lot of them, it burns your hands. But you don't have to. So you see, I took off the stem, and you can open it a little, take out the seeds and the veins right here. You see, try to take all the seeds out, and this is it. You just put them in some boiling water until they become soft and they're ready to blend. While the meat is cooking, we're gonna blend the Chile guajillo. They were like this, but I took out the seeds and I put them to boil, and they're soft. And now we're gonna put them in the blender so that we can make that blend them and put that final color in the pozole once it's ready. I blended it, and we're gonna use a strainer to take the excess skins of the Chile guajillo. I remember the first time that I did it, I didn't use the strainer, and it was not a good idea once it was ready. Let me use you see how all the leftover skin is there? We don't want it in that pozole. Wait. And actually this chile is, like I said, it's just to give it that really nice red color on the pozole. And some taste also. You see how we have leftover? Okay, see? no skins, and it's ready to pour. We just need to let the meat cook first, and then we'll add it along the way. Okay, I'm checking the meat, and it's already boiling. So as it started boiling, it's time to put your onions so that it can start getting those, absorbing the taste. And we're gonna put the garlic. We'll just take off the skin and put them whole. Okay, we got our garlic there, and we're gonna let it boil some more so that the meat can be softened and that flavor can be absorbed. I'm gonna, right now that the meat is still boiling, I'm gonna add some salt. Like I said, some people put too much, some people put too less. I'm just gonna put like a tablespoon right now and see how it tasted. Right now is a good time to put it because it's boiling, so let me see. It's gonna need another one. That's all I'm gonna put right now, because once we put our spices, like the Menudo spice has some salt, so right now we're just gonna wait and see how it tastes later. Okay, I already checked the meat. The meat is very soft. It took us about 30 to 40 minutes, but it's already soft enough. I took out the garlics, and right now we are ready to put our the last seasoning, the Chile, so that we can finish it. Okay, so we got our meat ready. We're gonna add our Chile. Like I said, this is to give it color, and you can add as much as you want to. You can start checking. You check your caldito, your soup. The pozole looks very nice when it's very red. That's why I like to add enough. See? We got a good color there. We're gonna put our oregano. It was 1 tablespoon of oregano to give it taste, good taste. And we also gonna put, I have here 1/4 of a Menudo mix, spice mix. It's also combination of oregano and also Chile. I have 1/4 of a cup, but I'm gonna put it slowly just to see if we're gonna need all of it. There it is. We're gonna have to wait until it starts boiling so that we can taste it and we can find out if we're gonna need more salt. Okay. Now the hominy is also depending on how much you wanna put. A lot of people in the family, they like it with a lot of hominy, and so I try to put as much as they want. Really, you see, we're gonna put more than that. The meat that we bought today, the 4.5 pounds that we bought, is for about 9 to 10 people, especially if they're little ones. So it serves about 9 to 10 people. See? We want to wait until it boils some so that we can start tasting it and see if it needs a little bit more salt. Let's just wait a couple of minutes and we'll see. Okay, some people, this is one of the last ingredients that I'm going to include. I don't always put it in there, but it still tastes good. This is caldo de tomate, tomato bouillon, and I'm going to add right now 1 tablespoon. Like I said, I don't always do it either or, it still tastes great, but today I'm going to do it. And You can say that the pozole is ready. All we need to let it boil a couple of minutes so that it can get all the tastes that we put in there, the flavors. And see, you can see already that it's boiling. I'm gonna taste it one more time. You always taste your food. Make sure that it's not too salty or that it needs salt. Let me taste it one more time. And it's perfect. Now that our pozole is ready, we can add some lettuce. Just depending how much do you want, but it just gives you that decoration, that nice decoration, and also a different taste. And this is what do you call these? Rabanitos in English? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Radishes, I'm sorry, radishes. This is radishes and this is lettuce, and it gives it that extra taste, and we eat it with chips. That's how we eat it in our traditional ways, and it is delicious. This is our pozole plate. I want to thank you again for watching Bautista's Kitchen. Any requests, put them in the comments below. Okay, I see it. Okay, yeah.
Why do you put it like that? Like it's a baby? Just leave it on the floor.
Okay, ya Alejandro.
Just leave it down. Leave it down.
You should put
Ya, ¿cómo me miró? Ya.
El pozole, señora.
She's gonna pee herself.
Ay, that's what I'm afraid of. Okay. Pero ya, ahora sí ya. Porque te miré que te estabas riendo y me dio risa.
Whoa, who does it like that? You're like you're disarming a bomb.
Ya, just stop it. ¿Cómo me miro, mija? Porque... ¿Ya me miro bien?
Yeah.
I will be preparing his meals. If you think that is something that you might be interested, please stay tuned.
She's crying throughout the whole video.
Yeah, good.
What?